Okay guys, so today we're gonna open up Aladdin's favorite treat. You ready, Aladdin? Okay, let's open it. Are you excited, Aladdin? And guys, it's bacon flavored. What do you rate it? Wait, Aladdin. He went away, guys, sorry. Guys, it looks like he loves it. So probably he's gonna rate it like a 10 out of 10. But you guys wanna see him? It really looks like he loves it. If you guys want to get, you could just go to your dollar store. Bye, guys. Hope you have a good day.